Now we are given that a car which is moving it on a straight highway, a car which is moving on a straight highway. Let us consider this is a car moving on a straight highway with a speed 126 km per hour, brought to stop within 200 meter. Means in this interval, let us consider this is 200 meter, the car is being stopped. (200 meter). What is the retardation? So we are given initial velocity of the car 126 km per hour and the displacement in which the car has been stopped is 200 meters. So convert initially this speed into meter per second. We have to multiply it by 5 by 18. Now this is 18 7 and 5 7, 35 meter per second. Can I write u is equal to 35 meter per second? And if the car is brought to stop, then final velocity is 0. This is given material in this statement. Now to find, we have to find its acceleration and the time. How long does it take car to stop? So acceleration and time both we have to find. Now formula for this problem is, we are having three equations of motion. V square minus u square is equal to 2as, v is equal to u plus at, and s is equal to ut plus half at square. From these three equations we have to just select which one is being perfect for this situation. So first of all we have to find acceleration, and we are given us and v. u as a, first equation is perfect for this situation. So v square. Okay, why does not these two equation is being perfect? Because these two having time and we are not having the time of this process. So v square, final velocity 0 minus u square is what? 35 square is equal to 2as. 2 into a, acceleration we have to find, and s is what? 200 meter. So students, acceleration is equal to 35 into 35 with a negative sign divided by 2 into 200. After cancelling it, 5 7 and 5 4 0, again 5 7 and 5 8, 7 7 49. 8 to the 16. So after dividing, our acceleration is 3.06 meter per second square. This is our acceleration, by which, or because it is having a negative sign, so we can say that it is a negative acceleration or retardation. देखो नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन का मीन्स वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज हो रही है, पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन मतलब वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज हो रही है. नाउ फॉर फाइंडिंग द टाइम वी हैव अनदर इक्वेशन, v is equal to u plus a t. T is equal to v minus u divided by a. What is v? 0. What is u? 35 divided by what is a? Minus 3.0, or we can write here 49 divided by 16, minus 35 and minus 49 divided by 16. After solving we get 7 5 है ना, नेगेटिव कैंसिल, 7 7 जा 16, ये जो ऊपर जाएगा 16 इंटू 5 7, ऐसे 16 5 is 80 divided by 7. So after again simplification we are having 1.11.4 3. Second, because it is time. So this is the solution of this problem. Again एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं इसको भी. देखो इनिशियल वेलोसिटी दी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट, फाइनल वेलोसिटी, बिकॉज वो रुकी है कार जाके, तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0. फाइंड क्या करना है? एक्सेलरेशन एंड रिटार्डेशन है ना. व्हाट इज द रिटार्डेशन? रिटार्डेशन इज आल्सो एक्सेलरेशन, नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन. So acceleration and time we have to find. By using this equation we are having this acceleration which is negative sign, and after using first equation we are having time, and this is the solution of this problem.